मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं रही हूँ।
नहीं तुम्हारा
लास्ट में ऑडियो गायब हो गया था।
ऑडियो मेरे को तो वीडियो नहीं दिखा उसका।
नहीं मुझे ऑडियो वीडियो दिख रहा है।
नहीं अभी दिख रहा है, अभी सब दिख रहा है मेरे को।
अभी सब दिख रहा है।
या उसने
मेरे पास आने जगह मेरे
Hi, this is Amrita.
Hi, this is Anusha.
Hey, this is Akshay and welcome back to the great filmy Tamasha.
Since the whole
Tamasha.
world knows today is Shah Rukh Khan's birthday. Happy
Yay.
birthday, Shah Rukh!
Yeah, we all
Happy
love
birthday,
him.
happy birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday,
Very,
my
very
love.
happy birthday.
Yeah.
Happy
So-
birthday. Happy birthday.
So today's episode is dedicated to him.
So the thing is, usually Shah Rukh Khan gets spoken about his romantic career or his, anti-hero roles right in the beginning. He's mostly known for stealing somebody else's girl.
King
But
of
the one
romance.
aspect of Shah Rukh,
I'm not surprised.
but the one aspect of Shah Rukh Khan that does not get spoken of a lot is his comedy chops.
We are going to debate on the best SRK comedy.
My choice for the day is Duplicate.
My choice is मैं हूं ना.
My choice is Badshah.
3 killer films. May the best debater win.
May the best Shah Rukh win. May the funniest Shah Rukh win.
May the funniest, may the
He's
funniest.
just funny in general. वही तो problem है. Anyways, हाँ.
So the reason I think Duplicate is the best Shah Rukh comedy ever, I think number one is that it's such a different movie for him. He has not done a film like Duplicate where he's so over the top, so very physical. Either before Duplicate or after Duplicate, he's not done one where he's so completely Shah Rukh. Because one of the best things about Shah Rukh is his high energy, and his physicality. And the comedy in Duplicate is all about Shah Rukh. His physicality, his awkwardness, his bumbling energy, He hasn't done another film like that. So for that reason, I think Duplicate is very special. Another thing that I really, really like about Duplicate, and a big thank you to Rahul Desai for this, because Duplicate is one of those films that even made me wonder, why do I like this film so much? And he put a few things into perspective. So one of the things that really stayed with me is there are comedy films that you laugh with. All of Hrishikesh Mukherjee comedies or Raju Hirani comedies would be like that. There are films that you laugh at. Race 3. Right? Then there are films like Duplicate which want you to laugh at them. They're trying so hard. They're like the clown of the class clown who's doing all sort of antics to make you laugh. It's just, like, for the lack of a better word, it's adorable. And it succeeds because you're laughing non-stop from the beginning to the end. The romance is comedy, the action is comedy, the drama, the intense emotion is also comedy. There's not one scene in the film which slips that way, right? So that I think is a great thing. Another thing that I didn't again realize the first time I watched it, but came to me, is that Shah Rukh in this film is kind of poking fun at Shah Rukh himself. Two of his most popular his most popular hero and villain of that time. So for example, this guy Bablu is basically your family-loving, respecting women kind of a rom-com hero that he's poking fun at. And Manu could actually be a cousin to the Bazigar and Dare version of Shah Rukh Khan, an over-the-top cousin, of course. So it's almost like he's poking fun at himself, which is another element of Duplicate, which I did not realize as a child because at that time it was just fun, right? But another aspect that I find very, very interesting. And again the film, although it is so massively a Shah Rukh Khan film, right? But Juhi Chawla's comic timing, she's so great. Every film in which she has a comic timing, she's so good. But in this film, she's supporting Shah Rukh so ably. Then there is Farida Jalal, and the rest of the cast, when they have to be funny, they are so funny. The energy does not drop ever. So for these reasons, I think Duplicate is my favorite Shah Rukh Khan comedy of all times.
So मैं हूँ ना is a hardcore commercial masala film at its best. Okay, it has everything which will make it an all-round entertainer. Okay, it has amazing songs, amazing acting, tender-hearted moments. It has college romance. It has some interesting stunts, and it has a national issue also. It is dealing with the Indo-Pak friendship. Okay, this is talking about the film. Just starting out saying that this film is amazing. Coming to why it is so funny is because I think Shah Rukh Khan is at his one of the best elements in the film. His comic timing is just amazing. Okay, the whole college boy avatar is just extremely entertaining and hilarious. In this film, his romantic story is also quite funny. Him not being able to open his mouth in front of Sushmita Sen and what he ends up doing in front of her, singing for her and coming up with this Jal bin, Machli, Nritya bin, Bijli lights, which is actually See, you guys are still laughing at it. So, okay, his antics around her because he's unable to talk to her properly is one of those stories where even the romance has fun elements. And of course, no comedy movie can ride only on one person. So the entire universe around him has a lot of funny people. You have this college principal with weak memory. So there's this one of the scenes where he gives a bhashan and he talks so much to Shah Rukh and then he only walks out of the office. And Shah Rukh Khan is like, it's your office. There's so many scenes like that with Baman Irani, which is amazing. And then we have a professor who cannot get her pronunciation right. We have Bindu, who calls Convocation Day Congratulation Day, and who calls Macho Man Macho Man, and she's adorably funny in the film. And of course, we also have a professor who spits everywhere. Like he opens his mouth only to spit. Everybody loves the scene when he says, "You punk!" and Shah Rukh Khan goes in all Matrix style. It is a brilliantly choreographed, brilliantly funny scene. And all these scenes come together because Shah Rukh Khan builds amazing chemistry with his co-actors. He's funny and he's funny with others and he makes others more funny. So the entire universe of Main Hoon Na has a lot of funny moments for you to experience. It has actually, as I already said, it is an all-rounder film, but also extremely funny because of all the reasons I mentioned and more, but I'll stick to songs. Main Hoon Na it is!
So my choice is Badshah, the film which practically gave him the moniker Badshah of Bollywood. So it's a very goofy, thoda spoofy kind of spy comedy film set in a universe जहाँ कुछ भी हो सकता है. Okay, anything and everything is possible in terms of events, coincidences, mistaken identities, everything goes. Alright, like every character in Badshah totally buys into that world, which is why it is hilarious. The film is full of multiple gags, right from beginning to the end. Be it the whole casino wale chashme gag, or be it their house, जो कभी उसका घर बन जाता है, कभी डिटेक्टिव एजेंसी बन जाती है, कभी हॉस्पिटल बन जाता है, कभी गरीब शाहरुख खान अंदर शाहरुख खान का घर बन जाता है. And in fact the whole hospital scene where you have Johnny Lever with इसको एक बकरे का आँख लगाऊंगा, एक मेंढक का आँख लगाऊंगा, मेरा एक उल्लू का आँख है. This is all very well done. Shah Rukh Khan's entire pretend blind act is so good. With where he's obviously he wants us to realize he's not blind, but he does it so well. The entire climax of the film, which is actually set in very serious spaces, but still it is funny for the audience because Shah Rukh Khan and the entire team keeps it very, very light. Now this very particular genre of films is something that had never been attempted in Indian cinemas before. Hollywood में बहुत हुआ है with the Naked Gun trilogy and Spy Hard and Johnny English and the Austin Powers series, but in India nobody had done it before Badshah. And Badshah did it to such an extent कि उसके बाद nobody dared to attempt it because it is a very difficult thing to crack. How do you make a spy film and yet keep everything funny and spoofy? You cast Shah Rukh Khan, who is right at the top of his element, channeling his inner Jackie Chan, layering it with Shah Rukh Khan's charm left, right and center, and pulling off everything silly, stupid, because that innocence is there on his face. He is very well supported by Johnny Lever, who is a fixture in comedy movies. Johnny Lever is there, तो कुछ तो मजाकिया होने वाला ही है. Very well supported by Amrish Puri, जो कि villain है. But वो कैसा लगा?
Yeah.
You know, like
Yeah.
you are totally invested with him, invested in him. But when he died, also you're not really upset because the film ka nature is such. You know, you go with it.
Spoiler!
So the entire cast of the film is so strong. Even if you look at the supporting characters like Saurabh Shukla, who comes in as the kidnapper, जो phone पे भी मास्क पहन के बैठा हुआ है, रज़ाक खान, जिसकी शराफत तो उसके मूंछों से टपक रही है. The film is full of hilarious sequences, fantastic music, amazing action. All in all, it is really the best comedy film that Shah Rukh Khan has ever done. And I want to say this one more thing, that Shah Rukh Khan has made a career out of opening his arms. But I think he should open his arms a little bit more and embrace comedy more, because it totally suits him.
Agreed. As I have said again and again, I'm a huge Shah Rukh Khan fan. I actually
Me too.
love all the films. I do not have anything to say. It's because I'm very loyal and I'm blind when it comes to criticizing him. But for the sake of criticizing, I would like to criticize the Duplicate as a film doesn't age really well. Like, it was funny when we saw it at that time, but whatever you said in your intro कि his charm and all those things ना अभी वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही overacting लगता है as both the characters, as Bablu, as Mannu. Like, while watching, there is a chance for audience that they forget it's actually a comedy film because he's acting so much. इतना overacting हो गया कि audience भूल गए कि ये funny भी हो सकता है. So yeah, that is
This is my point.
so-called problem with the film.
Okay, so I'll reply to that. So the thing is that this was not something. This is the zone of the film. This is what the film is doing. What you talked about timelessness, I don't think any of the comedies that we have today are going to be timeless comedies.
Lots, but yeah.
Duplicate, however, I can understand where you guys are coming from, that there is over the top acting. But मैंने वो अपने sequence में ही बोलती थी कि that's what makes it unique. That is so over the top, and that was intentional. That was not something कि oh चलो people are acting bad and that's why it's over the top. It's so clear because everybody in the film is over the top. That is the space in which it is.
Amrita, that is like saying that everybody in मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ was on purpose overacting. It is as good as saying that. The argument that you just made is as good as saying that everybody in that film was also overacting, because everybody is doing it.
But see, overacting is funny to a certain extent.
Overacting,
Beyond a point, overacting is just overacting.
See, we've all watched मैं हूँ ना, मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ, and we've all watched Duplicate. मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ, I agree. It's a lot of overacting as well, but it's not funny. It's not funny at all. None of us would ever rate it as a good film or an enjoyable film or whatever. Unlike Duplicate, where the overacting works very, very well in that universe.
To certain extent is what I was trying to say. To certain extent, overacting is funny. Beyond that.
Again, also in मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ, certain characters are overacting. Okay, I don't want to go there, but certain are not. Which there's a disconnect. While in this film, everybody from the cop, all the supporting cast, Bebe Farida Jalal, everybody is overacting, making it intentional. Right? Not for a second will you think that
I think that is an assumption. So I think we should agree to disagree on that, because neither of us were there. I know the point you're making, and
Yeah,
today
absolutely.
I laugh at the film. I just don't know if they wanted us to do that.
I personally feel that was very, very intentional. Like I said in my opening itself, I addressed this point that it is like a class clown which is saying laugh at me, laugh at me, laugh at me. That's what the film is. And nowhere has it pretended to be otherwise, which is my problem with the other films, which I'll come to later.
Yeah. Okay. There's a certain moments in Duplicate which I find really cringe-worthy, especially one which is the whole drag act, and with Sharat Saxena trying to make out with Shah Rukh Khan. I'm sorry, but that is not funny. That is squeamy. And there's one more thing that I have to mention about that same Shah Rukh Khan character, Mannu, because we have invested in him. I mean, तो पता नहीं क्यों.
I know. And why does he have to do this?
Again, very, very intentional character choices.
Let me finish. So, I mean, that was a character trait, and he's always sweaty and sticky and, always putting his tongue out.
Yeah, agree.
But the thing is, In a comedy film, I personally don't like seeing any element of tragedy, and you still see that Shah Rukh Khan died at the end.
Again,
And
spoiler.
Sonali Bendre gets her whole melodramatic scene, which takes away from the point that the entire film was a comedy till that point of time.
Don't want to go there.
Yeah, but I am over there. So
Okay.
I think that breaks away from the film ending also on a comedy note and a light note.
I
Unlike
did not
Past
think
Star,
of
where
it
the
that
villain
way.
dies
Good
in
point.
the end, but it is still comedy. You never for once start feeling bad about that. You equally invested in both films. Yeah, so please feel free to counter.
Okay, so all those things that you said, see, it's the same point basically. You guys are saying it's over the top. That Manu is an over the top villain and Bablu is an over the top hero. The things that he said is this thing that he's doing like a venomous snake, which of course I can see how it will be annoying. But just like you said about Badshah, suspension of disbelief, you buy in the universe. Duplicate has its own universe, and once you're in it, you buy into it. What you said about Shah Rukh Khan dying at the end, taking away from the comic feel of the film, they bring you back like it's like a 2-second thing. They bring you back so quickly with that Suhagrat wala film that you know that the dying thing was, again, it was necessary. They had to show it, but they bring you back very quickly. Okay, so my first point against Main Hoon Na, and I love that film, so entertaining, is just that it is a masala entertainer. Farah Khan made it as a tribute to the 70s film. She said it. It's a Manmohan Desai inspired film. It is not an out-and-out comedy. Of course, there are comic elements. Of course, they are very well done. But there is action, there's drama, there's romance, which are such huge parts of the film. Also very well done. But that just means that it is not an out-and-out comedy. So for the sake of this video, when we're talking about best Shah Rukh Khan comedies, it's just not an out-and-out comedy. It will fall in the category, in the Indian category of masala films. Masala entertainment. Just like we would not call Amar Akbar Anthony a comedy.
Okay,
The
so
same way.
yeah, if you take out
Yeah.
and out comedy, none of our films fit in out and out comedy genre.
Actually, Duplicate is
I
an
don't
out-and-out
agree with
No,
comedy.
none of it
Duplicate
fits
is
as
out-and-out comedy.
IMDb says, which we believe.
No, IMDb के हिसाब से नहीं बोल रही, मैं IMDb
none
के
of
हिसाब
our
से नहीं
films
बोल रही।
fit in out and out comedy. So let us not take out and out comedy as a क्या कहते हैं deciding factor, because it is, as I said, I'm
Okay.
repeating the same thing.
Okay.
You can edit it.
Okay.
Actually, I will
Okay,
leave
look
this
at-
point
okay,
to
look
the
at- no,
audience
one
then
second,
because
one second.
Okay.
Let me add to that
because
point.
I truly
Look at
think
the
I'm
that
still
Duplicate
answering.
is an
Wait,
out-and-out
wait.
comedy.
Okay,
Yeah.
take
Yeah,
it from
yeah,
here.
yeah.
After her answer, take it from here. I'm going to give a 2-minute break and take it from here. Okay. Okay. So since we are talking about comedy, out and out comedy, I feel that none of our film is out and out comedy. But still,
Okay.
if I have to justify, as I also said in my intro, like introduction to the film, all the elements in the film is somewhat funny, like all our films are. Okay, it's not out and out comedy, but the romance in the film has a comedy angle. The action in the film has comedy angle. Everything is made on a lighter note. So that is what we consider as comedy, and that is what we are taking as a comedy
Okay.
film. Otherwise,
Anu,
yeah.
See, I hear what you're saying, but okay, even if that's how you want to take a comedy film, still it is lighter in but it is not to the level of our films. Our films have got gags every moment. Your film has got the whole serious portion with Naseeruddin Shah dying, the whole thing with Kiran Kher leaving her husband because he's got an extramarital affair, a kid. You know, all those parts are quite serious. And when they realize that Shah Rukh Khan is actually Naseer's kid, and their the whole confrontation scene, they are not exactly like moments. So that's why I would agree with Amrita on this. But I think we should go ahead to the next point.
Yeah, no, my only thing is that it is not out and out comedy. तुम बोलोगे तो none of our films fit in the genre. कितना comedy है, कितना नहीं है,
I
that
would
is.
agree with that. मैंने तुमको गिना
Yeah.
दिए Badshah from
Yeah.
beginning to the end.
See,
there's
okay,
just
so
gas
if
after
you
gas
think
after
back
gas.
on
See, same
Main Hoon
goes
Na,
for
it is
Duplicate,
a
same goes
story.
for Duplicate.
It is a masala story, agree. But when you sit back and think about Main Hoon Na, you will not, nobody will talk about Naseeruddin Shah dying or Kiran Kher ka thing. Everybody will talk about the lighter sequences because there are a lot of funny instances in the film.
That I agree. There are a lot of
Like
funny
nobody will
incidences,
sit and cry
just
कि
not
अरे at the end
out
of the movie you're not
See.
crying कि Naseeruddin Shah मर गया first scene.
Ooh, that's
of course.
another thing. Main Hoon Na में है ऐसे moments where if
है,
you're
है.
watching it for the first time you will
No,
cry.
I तो
Which is
cry,
not
I
the
cry,
case in
I still
Duplicate.
cry.
It's not even a comedy. Okay, anyway.
Oh,
So,
Yeah,
I
but
cried for
okay,
Pokemon
okay.
also. You have all kind of audience.
Let's go ahead now.
Yeah.
Okay. So my next point might be slightly personal. I do not like the Indo-Pak angle in the film at all. Okay, that is a very personal thing because तब तक क्या है ना, for me as an audience, the film flows very easily. Things that I know that they had to have an overarching conflict for Shah Rukh Khan to go to school to protect the daughter and everything, but it could have been another problem or whatever because the film flows so smoothly, so easily, so effortlessly until the whole Indo-Pak angle comes. In which when it happens, it feels very contrived, it feels very forced, it feels like जबरदस्ती के डाला है because we have to show that क्या कहते हैं शाहरुख खान का नाचो वाला side. Right, and to me that just does not fit into the universe of Main Hoon Na. There had to be a problem, but I think that should have been done well. And that again is one of those big things that takes away from it being a comedy, tying it to my first point. Otherwise, for comedies, I'm not somebody who would focus on the plot so much. But Main Hoon Na is clearly trying to be an intelligent entertainer, and this whole portion just sticks out like something that does not fit.
Okay, as I already said, it is a masala film. It has everything, but getting the Indo-Pak angle involved is a director's call. They can do anything. And for me, as an audience, it did not take away from the flow of the film. As you said, it is personal. Personally, I did not feel it that way, and it is completely the director's call. But majority of the film, if you say, it is a comedy film. Comedy as in, मैं फिर से नहीं बोल सकती it is out and out comedy like Angur or something. But Shah Rukh is at his best comic element in this film, according to me. So now, anti-Badshah.
Okay.
I see you struggling. There are no bad points. Thank you very much.
Okay, you said whatever you said when you were talking about Badshah. You said कि it is a universe where we buy into so many things and all. But again, I have a problem. How much? Like एक suspension of disbelief जो तुमने बोला उसका भी हद होता है. इस फिल्म में everybody just assume things just to make the story going. You know, अभी तुम्हारा confusion हो गया कि ये बादशाह है, confused identity वाला बादशाह है. Now the rest of the people are acting really dumb to an extent where you are like, हाँ, we have to take the story ahead. No, थोड़ा बहुत हमने दिमाग use कर लिया तो story खत्म ही हो जाएगा. तो चलो, let's make it believe, we'll only come up with the solution that he is only बादशाह. So I think that you said कि उसके बाद किसी ने genre attempt नहीं किया. I think इसके बाद लोगों को समझ में आ गया कि इतना तुम अगर lack of दिमाग में
We already discussed this, Anu. This was the 6th highest grossing film of the year. So
But
you know
still
that
they
people
did not
love this
attempt.
film.
हो सकता है कि उस टाइम पे वो अच्छा हो गया.
Listen.
But eventually
Okay,
they
I'm not going
decided
to
कि
compare this to Inception, but after Inception, nobody's attempted Inception either.
Aiyo.
Okay, but I'm not comparing this to Inception. Okay, but firstly, I have to tell you this, Anu. You are saying that बहुत कुछ इस universe में बस हो ही जाता है, people just go along with it. That is common to all three of our films today.
not
All the
that
choices.
much.
Even come on, even in मैं हूँ ना, how convenient it is कि जहाँ पे उसको assignment मिला, वहीं उसके बाबा की पुरानी बीवी और उसका बच्चा पढ़ रहा है. सब लोग सब कुछ
Oh,
दार्जिलिंग नहीं हो
Baba,
रहा है.
that is not the same. Yeah, people are assuming ना, people are sitting कि oh ये तो सामने सबके सामने ऐसा behave कर रहा है ताकि किसी को पता ना चले. Oh, so
Obviously,
smart.
why will anybody think something else? Why should anybody think
Like it
something else?
is way too many times in the film. And I'm
That is the
like,
flavor of the film.
That is true. That is true. That does happen too many times. But yeah.
that is it.
Okay. Okay. Alright. So my point is the same point as I had against
मैं हूँ ना.
against Mehuna. Yeah, that again Badshah is also, like you said, it's inspired from spy comedies, which is absolutely true. But spy comedies themselves are like, okay, not spy comedies, but this Indian version of spy comedies is very much again a masala entertainer. The whole, and I'm going to combine 2 points here. The whole, there are too many things in this film which take away from the comedy of the film. Like you said, कि duplicate में वो end में जो मरता है, takes away from the. That's that one जो scene है which does that. In Badshah, there's just so much, especially the whole love story with Twinkle Khanna is constantly breaking the comic flow of the scene all the time. It's contrived, it's unfunny, and it takes away from the comic,
so
like the
just tell me
theme.
what was not funny. The end of the song when he pretends to be blind, was that not funny? His pretending, his getting her home, was that not funny? Was the whole hospital angle with the eyes not funny? Or because if that is what you are finding funny, then that just means that this is not your kind of comedy. Because
No, I actually like Badshah. I like Badshah. I enjoy the film. I'm just saying that it's not. Even those aspects which I'm saying are not comedy. I enjoy them. It's just that they're not comedy.
What are they?
That's all. The whole Twinkle Khanna or a love story is drama. It's not comedy, and especially in the second part when he comes back.
What is Silsila?
No,
What is love hate?
Silsila is way more intense. Especially like first part, especially when he's going for the first time. First part when he's going for the first time, जब वो पूरा होता है hospital change and all that. There are elements. हाँ, उसमें तो मुझे फिर भी there are funny parts. But in the second part, when Twinkle comes back to encounter him when he's on the mission.
Goa bit.
Yeah, that whole portion there for them is like taking away from the whole
So actually, if
funniness
you
of
pay
Badsha.
attention to the whole part, the second part, thank you, I did not get time to talk about this. The second part is more like an action comedy, where Twinkle is suspecting him of being something else, he is thinking something else, and they have this whole very funny action sequence where people are trying to take her away and how he's trying to, steal kisses from her. It's a way, I mean, I think it's totally funny. I can understand if you don't think so. We can have a difference of opinion on
that portion,
but
yes, the one that
for me,
you're
it
talking
never
about is
took away
fun.
from the
But
comedy,
there's just
not
too
even
many.
single bit.
Yeah, Badsha is a film that even though it's a comedy, it's not trying to be a dumb spoof like Duplicate is. I'm talking about Twinkle Khanna का वो जो पूरा portion है where she so easily falls for his lies. That was the portion that stuck out to me like a sword thumb.
She is not the spy, he is the spy.
यार ये falling
Yeah,
तो even सब
unbelievable,
movie
that's
में
all.
again I'm supporting.
Very,
Okay.
very unbelievable, that's all.
Okay, okay.
So you
know how
found
she
Julie
felt.
falling
I
for
believe that any girl can fall in love with Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay, so that was a debate for the best SRK comedy film. What were the movies which almost win?
Ooh. Actually, for me, that would be
Chamatkar.
Chennai Express. Chennai
Okay.
Express. Chennai Express.
For me also it
that
was
would
Chennai
have-
Express almost. It's one of my favorite SRK films. It has amazing repeat values.
For me also it was Chennai Express and Duplicate. And
So
Duplicate was,
basically,
right?
Chennai,
Okay,
apart from
You're
these
not
three,
done
Chennai
with
Express wins.
Yeah, apart from
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
so-
If we had a fourth debater, it would
It would
probably
be
be
Chennai
Chennai.
Express.
I really want to see the comments on this because I have a feeling that Chennai Express might win there.
They would say कि अरे ये चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस भी लेना चाहिए था. So guys, do let us know कि किसका डिबेट आपको सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा लगा and
Yes,
which movie
yes,
you
yes.
think is the best SRK comedy film. Please let us know. We
Hey, I
are
never
ready.
told you I'm wearing Shah Rukh Khan's shirt from मैं तो हूँ पागल.
He is.
Whenever
Yes,
I-
he's channeling his.
But no brownie
Shah
points
Rukh.
for that. It's all on the debate.
Yeah, no brownie points. We are on a diet.
Yes, 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 yes. So like, share and subscribe people and please ring that bell for notifications.
And
give us
comment, yeah,
give us
suggestions and more topics. And happy
We
birthday,
will see you
Shah
next
Rukh.
week.
Again, we would like to see more
Happy
of
birthday.
you on screen and waiting.
Yes, yes, yes. Happy birthday, King Khan.